Make your commands pop. Punctuation in imperative sentences. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a specific aspect of English grammar, punctuation in imperative sentences, with a particular focus on the use of exclamation marks. Get ready to add some emphasis to your commands. Before we talk about punctuation, let's first understand what an imperative sentence is. An imperative sentence gives a command, a request, or advice. It's a way to express a directive, something that the speaker wants the listener to do. For example, close the door, please help me with these boxes. Brush your teeth every night. Now, let's talk about exclamation marks in imperative sentences. When do we use them? How do they change the meaning or tone of a sentence? Typically, an exclamation mark at the end of an imperative sentence adds emphasis or emotion. It might indicate excitement, surprise, command, or urgency. It's a way to make your sentence pop and stand out. For example, close the door. Help me with these boxes, please. Brush your teeth every night. See how the exclamation marks add a level of urgency or insistence to these commands. They're a powerful tool, but remember, they're like spices in cooking. Use them sparingly. Overuse can lead to your text feeling overly emotional or losing its impact. It's essential to understand the difference in tone and emphasis when you use a period versus an exclamation mark in imperative sentences. A sentence ending with a period might seem calm, polite, or neutral. The same sentence ending with an exclamation mark may come across as more urgent, insistent, or emotional. Compare these examples. With a period, please pass the salt. Polite request. With an exclamation mark, please pass the salt. Urgent or insistent request. That's it for today, folks. We've explored the use of exclamation marks in imperative sentences, how they add emotion and emphasis, and how they differ from periods. Remember, they're a powerful tool in your writing toolbox, but they're best used sparingly. We hope this lesson helps make your commands and requests more vibrant and expressive. Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Happy learning!